Welcome to this course. In this course, you learn how to build a fully functional PHP MVC app from scratch. You learn how to create a pagination, use authentication such as login, register, and logout. You learn how to create different components such as create post, comments, and categories. You'll be able to edit posts and categories. You'll also learn how to create a search component for your post. You learn how to create a password reset functionality and use Gmail to reset your password. I will code with you every step of the way. We will build every class and function together. Join me on the other side and let's start building